For my next video, I'd like to do one on BNLink's multi-plug outlet extender. And today we have our good friend Frederick with us. So we're going to give him the instructions. He really didn't want that, so he wants the box. So let's let him look at that while we do the unboxing. We have 3 plugs on the back. I have my finger over it, but that's a stabilizer that can be taken off, which I took it off. But we have the light. We have 3 plugs. We have 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C on the front. So that's really all there is in the box, which Fred is going to continue to destroy. And that's our unboxing. So next, let's go over a little bit of the tech specs on the item. So we have a multi-outlet extender with USB ports. It's multiple safety protection. It's multiple safety certifications. Keep your electronics safe from power surges or spikes. It's power rated for a max of 125 volts, 60 hertz. It has 3 USB wall chargers. It's combined USB output rating of 5 volts at 2.4 amps. It's individual USB output rated at 5 volts, 2.4 amps. Type 3 SPD VPR. So you have your 3 wall outlets. You have 1,875 watts out. 5 volts, 2.4 amps for your USBs. It's a 6-in-1 wall outlet extender. It has 3 AC outlet adapters, 15 amp, 125 volt, 1,875 watt, and a 3 USB charging ports, 1 USB-C, total output DC of 5 volts, 2.4 amps. The grounded indicator light that assures your devices are secure, which when you turn it on, it's blue. Has a small size, big use. The wall outlet extender only weighs 0.55 pounds, but can power up to 6 units at the same time. Suitable for most devices and portable for travel. It's compact design, 3.94 by 3.62 by 1.1 inches. It's easy to carry. USB-C smart charging port. It takes 2 hours to charge a 3,000 milliamp phone for 5 volts at 2.4 amp USB port, which saves up to 40% time than original 5 volt 1 amp. The USB-A up to 2.4 amp 5 volt per port, and USB-C up to 2.4 amp 5 volt max total USB ports up to 2.4 amp 5 volt max. It's more stable design. The white plastic post on the back increases the stability of the wall outlet, preventing the plug from falling. But if you want to be like mine, I removed it so I could plug it into a extender. Note, for some outlets, the white plastic port can be cut off before use. The BNLink provides 12 months warranty, 24 hours, 7 days technical support. And that is my video for the BNLink multi-plug outlet extender. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Please click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.